nje hore mina ngisebenzela abantwana bami, mina ngisebenzela ingane zami or qhomela kazingane mara sadikenye di-morals ongithi ufinde ubuya ka ukhuluma ngesaka lempuphu ukhuluma ngamazambane ukudla nempahla mawuthi wena usebenzela abantwana bakho no that way siyalahleka awuchecka ngwana asotlamile umgade otsamayile yena. Of course you work, of course you have your life, that's healthy, that's life. No, we are just different people in the same world, in the same world. That's where respect is coming in there. Siyabhekelana, siyanqenyisana kotseleng so ra shiftelana asore wa ntshosa kapa ke a tshaba kapa wa mthola mos siyanqenyisana. Umama lo uyasho ukuthi mina bengumthakathi wabona kuyaloya wayibona lady. So asiyena liwana, might be angry at her, we might be happy for her, but what is important bafethu is the things that she spoke about. She's teaching us. Take the words